10 brain function supplements to improve your cognitive function. Hey there, curious minds. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're on a mission to unlock the secrets of peak brain performance. Get ready to sharpen your mind as we delve into the fascinating world of brain function supplements. Buckle up because we're about to embark on a journey that will make your neurons dance with joy. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. Our journey begins with the brain's best friend, omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats, found in fish oil, are like brain boosters. They support brain cell structure, enhance cognitive function, and reduce inflammation. Omega-3s are the key to maintaining a sharp mind and a healthy brain. 2. Bacopa monnieri. Next up, let's explore Bacopa monnieri, an ancient Ayurvedic herb. This adaptogen enhances memory, cognitive function, and focus. It's like a brain workout in a pill, making you feel mentally rejuvenated and ready to conquer challenges. 3. Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo biloba, the tree of life. Its leaves contain potent antioxidants that increase blood flow to the brain. This enhances memory, concentration, and overall cognitive function. Think of it as a fountain of youth for your brain. 4. Lion's mane mushroom. Ever heard of lion's mane mushroom? It's a superfood for the brain. This unique mushroom stimulates the production of nerve growth factor, promoting brain cell growth and repair. It's like a forest bath for your neurons. 5. Phosphatidylserine (PS). Phosphatidylserine, or PS, is a natural component of cell membranes. It boosts neurotransmitter production, aiding in memory, mood regulation, and cognitive function. Think of it as the conductor of your brain's symphony. 6. Acetyl L-carnitine, ALCAR. Acetyl L-carnitine, or ALCAR, is like a gym for your brain cells. It supports mitochondrial function, helping to produce energy and improve memory. It's the turbocharge your brain needs to perform at its best. 7. Rhodiola rosea. Rhodiola rosea, an adaptogenic herb, reduces stress and fatigue, allowing your brain to function optimally. It enhances focus, memory, and mental clarity. It's like a breath of fresh mountain air for your mind. 8. L-theanine. L-theanine, found in green tea, is a calming influence on the brain. It increases alpha brain waves, promoting relaxation and creativity. It's like a Zen retreat for your neurons. 9. Huperzine A. Huperzine A is a potent nootropic that boosts acetylcholine levels in the brain, improving memory and cognitive function. It's like giving your brain a turbocharger for lightning-fast thinking. 10. Curcumin with a vibrant curry dish. Lastly, let's savor curcumin, found in turmeric. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that can protect brain cells from damage, improve memory, and reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. It's like a spice-routed journey for your brain. And there you have it, our captivating journey through the world of brain function supplements. These remarkable substances will help to unlock your brain's full potential, making you sharper, more focused, and mentally resilient. While supplements can be beneficial, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before adding them to your routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. If you found this video intriguing and enlightening, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow brain enthusiasts. And if you'd like us to dive deeper into any of these supplements or brain-boosting topics, leave a comment below. Thanks for joining us today on this mind-expanding adventure. Until next time, embrace your inner genius and keep pursuing those intellectual horizons.